So you have decided to complete your studies in abroad and chosen the country Netherlands. The next step you need to go through with the visa application process. Nobody really enjoys this stage because it requires a lot of time for organizing, collecting and preparing documents and relevant information. However, applying a student visa in Netherlands is not so complicated. In this video, I am going to share step-by-step procedure for procuring your residence permit as an international student. If you want to know more, then please keep on watching this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome to Tina Sunshine. If you are still not sure where you want to study in the Netherlands, then you have to decide this first before you applying for a student visa application process. After being accepted at the Dutch university, you will get acceptance letter, and that we need for the visa application process. Consider some of the best university in the Netherlands: Utrecht University, Eindhoven University of Technology, Radboud University, Wageningen University and Research, Erasmus University Rotterdam, Tilburg University, University of Twente. A residence permit is a primary requirement if you want to stay and study in the Netherlands. A short stay visa or Schengen visa is required if you want to stay and study in the Netherlands for 90 days or less. If you want to study in the Netherlands for more than 90 days, then you need an entry visa called MVV and then a residence permit. Your university should start the application procedure. If it doesn't happen, then please contact them directly. In some of the universities, you also need to provide financial proof. After the university's request is approved, you can apply for an entry visa MVV at your embassy or consulate in your country. University also collects the visa fees. Now the visa fees is €174. You need to fill the visa form. The link will be provided by your university. You also need to submit various documents. A scanned copy of your valid passport. You will also have to scan all the stamped pages of your passport. A self-signed antecedent certificate, a self-signed TB statement, proof of financial. Proof of financial means this proof can be your bank statement, which indicates that you have sufficient amount in your bank account to cover the expenses of at least a year. Usually the amount is €10,800. Once you submit the visa application form with the IND, your university will be notified. When you submit the visa application form, the IND will verify all your documents. If your visa application is approved, then your country embassy will be notified. You will also be notified with an email. After that, you can make an appointment in your country embassy. On appointment date, you need to take your passport, 2 passport size photo and university acceptance letter. Your MVV will be issued within 1 or 2 days. Once you get your MVV, you can book your flight ticket and you are good to go for your studies in Netherlands. Let me share you some important details about student residence permit. If during your studies you decide to change the course and start the new one, then the number of years you have already studied will be deducted from the maximum duration of the new course. Before the expiration date of your residence permit, you can apply for an extension of your stay for the rest of your study program. In some cases, your residence permit can be withdrawn. For example, if you do not maintain sufficient progress with regards to your academic performance. The university will be required to inform IND if in case you discontinue from your studies or terminate your registration as a student, or if you no longer have sufficient funds to cover your living costs. This may result in the IND cancelling your visa or residence permit. The university will be required to inform IND if in case you discontinue from your studies or terminate your registration as a student, or if you no longer have sufficient funds to cover your living costs. This may result in the IND cancelling your visa or residence permit. So this was the video about student visa application process. Please let me know if I missed something or if you have any questions. If you found this video a little informative, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.